I've got the tire repaired on the 51 Chev, and I just thought, you know, we haven't started this car in probably a couple of years now. It's good for them to fire them up every now and then. So let's start up this, well, I guess we'll put the tire on first. We're not going anywhere like this. Right, Poo-Boo? I gotta find the impact. Frankers, do you know where it is? She's a beauty. Some classic kingpin failure there. He actually has a functioning fuel pump, unlike most of our cars. It's a 235 Chev. I don't know if it's the original engine to this car. It would have been a 235 car had it been a Power Glide. So it's either had a 235 put in it, or it was originally an automatic car. It's now running a cobble together 3 on the floor, which is how I got it. Okay, let's just see what happens. You can't come in, Minnie. There's no room. There's no room. No, you have to stay there. Nice. Okay. Well, let's put some gas. Okay, I just dumped some of whatever was in the trunk into the carb. We'll just see if it won't start, then whatever's in the lines will be no good. So let's just see what happens. Whoop, look out, Minnie. Throttle. That's not gas, I guess.
This is the one you bought from these guys down here.
That's right, yeah.
They got it. They got some more shit down there now too. Okay, so have you got power? Is that what the problem is?
Yeah, well, I couldn't get it going earlier.
Oh, is there fuel in it, or do you need to?
Just looking at it right now.
Oh, okay. How many grounds has this fucking thing got? It's got one here and one there.
Oh, yeah, I never noticed that.
Ah.
Yeah. Well, you usually do have one body ground. It's just weird that. Well, I checked and we should have power.
Well,
watch out. See
okay.
What happens. Let's see what happens.
I'm standing back.
Stand back. Fire.
She's dry, thirsty, huh?
Yeah. That's good. At least she started.
Well, it fired right away, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good old engine.
Well, these old straight sixes, I mean, they put them in fucking everything, eh?
Well, from 37 to 54.
Yeah, yeah. What do you mean? Have you got another tank back there, or
Yeah,
what?
I got a jerry can full of gas back there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see what happens now.
Why is this unhooked?
Oh yeah, good point. That would have been a disaster.
Not there. No.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yep. Yeah, that would have
It'll
been
never
bad.
fucking suck, huh?
Yeah, well, I blew all the old gas out of it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Forgot to hook it back up.
Well, shit.
I don't know. Let's just see what happens if we just go for it.
What the fuck? You put it in gear. Holy shit. It's coming. Try it again. Probably out of fuel. That thing runs good.
Yeah, it does, eh? Not bad. That was harsh.